Good morning, students. Today we will take lesson 6, the animal world. Okay, here in this lesson we will learn many things about animals. Okay, before starting, let's try to read out the names of animals given in the above picture. Okay, name the animals given in the picture below. You write by your own as your homework, but let's try to read it now. Okay, first one is elephant, fox, lion, giraffe, and deer. So all the name of these animals here, you write it by yourself, okay, correctly. So these animals, as we see here, there are many types of animals. There are some big animals such as lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, dinosaurs, okay. All these animals are called big animal, and small animals are squirrel, rabbit, cat. So all the animals are living things like us, okay? Because they listen to us, they walk, they can run, they can survive by themselves, right? And now what can we see in the next page? In the first image, that is birds, okay? Birds are also animals, okay? And birds such as pigeons, crows, sparrows, owls, and ostriches are some types of birds. There are different types of birds. Some birds can fly, some birds do not fly, okay? And so these birds, what help them fly? वो लोग कैसा क्या का मदद से फ्लाई उड़ सकता है? With the help of their wings. And most of the birds can fly, okay. There are only some birds which do not fly, such as penguins, okay, ostrich. These are the birds that cannot fly. And also there are some birds that can swim in water, like duck, swan, okay. So remember, birds are also animals. Let's see the animals that lives in forest. जंगल में रहने वाला जानवर लोग क्या क्या होता है? आप लोग भी मालूम होगा ना, क्या क्या होगा? टाइगर, lion, elephant, giraffe, zebra, and so many other animals live in forest. So they are called forest animals, okay? And there are also some animals that we see around us that help us in our work, and they also carry us and carry our goods, and they are used as transportations. So those animals are cows, buffaloes, goats, camels, and horses. These are the animals that live around us and are used by us in our work, okay. And some of the animals that we see around us comes under the domestic animals, such as goats, camel, buffalo, horses, cow. These are the animals that comes under domestic animals. मतलब क्या, आदमी लोग घर में लाके फार्म में काम करता है, खेती में ना, ऐसा में काम करता है ना, इसको डोमेस्टिक एनिमल बोलता है, ओके। और यहाँ में देखो ऊपर में we see cat, rabbit, and dog, right? So these are the animals that make friends with us so easily, okay. And many people, they love to keep in their house as their pets. So animals such as dogs, cats, and rabbits live with us in our home, okay. Eat with play with us, and this type of animals are called pets animals, okay. And we must also know that the insects are also called an animal, and insects are very small animals. They have 6 legs, okay. And some animals we keep in our house as our favorite animal, right? Every one of us, we have our own favorite animal. So I want to give you another homework. It is not given in textbook. Homework is not given in our textbook, okay? But I am giving you a homework by myself. Do draw in your copy. Do draw your own favorite animal, okay? And color it properly and send to me, okay? I will give you marks to all of you. And animals like lion, tiger, giraffe, horse, camel, dog, goat, cow, fox, cat, all these animals are land animals because they live on land. If they go inside the water, these animals will die, okay? So they are called only land animals. And there are also some animals that called water animals such as fish, turtle, crocodile, octopus, starfish, whale. All these are water animals that live in water, okay? There are also some animals that live on trees. They sleep on trees, they eat on trees, okay? So they are monkeys, birds, and squirrels. These are the animals live on trees. Animals are very useful to us because many animals are useful to us, such as cows, buffaloes, goats. They are very useful to us because they provide food for us, right? हम लोग को खाना मिलता है ना वहाँ से, ये लोग का जानवर से क्या क्या मिलता है? मिल्क मिलता है, अंडा मिलता है, मीट मिलता है ना खाने के लिए. So these animals are very important to us, very useful to us. And there are also some animals, like I said before, domestic animals. They help us to work in our field, to carry our loads, to travel from one place to another. So animals such as oxen or bulls, horses, camels, donkeys are very useful to us. See, इधर में लिखा है oxen help farmers to plow the land, right? खेती में मिट्टी को ऐसा घुमाने के लिए क्या मदद चाहिए? ऑक्सन लोग मदद करता है बोलता है, ओके? और गाव गाव ना, or buffalo, all these are very useful to help us working in field. So we should love all the animals and we should take care of the animals. We should not play with animals because if they get angry, क्या होगा? और हम लोग का घर में हम लोग जानवर पालता है ना, वो लोग का साथ टीस नहीं करना है, मजाक नहीं करना है, नहीं खेलना है, क्योंकि वो लोग काट देने से क्या होगा? पॉइजन लगेगा और मर जाएगा ना. So we should always love the animals and take care of the animals because they provide us so many things. Understand? So in today's lesson, what you have learned? We have learned about big animals, small animals, about birds as animals, and animals that live in forests, animals that live around us such as domestic animals, and domestic animals as pets, right? And animals that live on land, yes or no? And animals that live on water, all these animals are very useful to us, like I said, okay? So I hope you have understood about the animals. So here there is also a homework here. Match animals in column A with where they live in column B. Squirrel, you have to match with the correct one where the squirrel live. And lion एंड फिश, फिश कहाँ में रहता है और लायन कहाँ में रहता है, उसको अच्छा से ऐसा 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 एक्स मार्क मारना है.